Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel again. Today I'll be showing you a special food made on the occasion of Ekadashi. Now let me tell you all the meaning of Upavas. Upa means the God Almighty, and Vas means you give him the company. And when you are in the company of the God, you tend to forget having food or anything to drink. That is how the word upvas is being derived. Now today being Ekadashi, on this day Lord Vishnu goes on a sleep for continuous 4 months. That is why it is called Chaturmas. So now on this occasion we make sama chawal ya variche tandoor, or in Marathi also we call as Bhagar. So let's see how to make Bhagar. For that, here I have taken some rice, say about quarter kg. Then these are 7 to 8 spoons of ground peanut powder. Then some cumin seeds, red chili powder, salt and water. Now here I have taken 2 tablespoons of pure ghee. Now into this ghee, since this is hot, I am going to add 2 teaspoons of, see so much, of cumin seeds. Okay. Now let them crackle. Okay. Now I'll put the flame to the little higher side. Okay. Let them crackle. Okay. After this, I'm going to add 1.5 spoon. This spoon. Okay. 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder into this. Okay, yo, now they have started crackling. I don't want to burn them, so I'll put the red chili powder. This is to give color and taste. Now I'll just cook it for a minute, and into this I'll lower the gas flame and I will add water. That's all is the water. Now into this 7 to 8 spoons of peanut powder. Peanut, groundnut, whatever you call. Stir it. Okay, put the flame on. Okay, here like this. Now into this I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of salt. Now my spoon is this. So you are going to add salt according to your taste. So here I'm adding 2 spoons of salt. Mix it, and then I'm going to add barnyard millet or sama chawal or variche tandoor or Bhagar. All means the same. So I'm going to add all this and I'm going to add it slowly. See, it's getting spilt out. So be careful when you are adding. And I will cover this and I will allow this chawal to get cooked for 15 minutes. So see you after 15 minutes, and I am going to make some arrangements for Aamti, which is made from peanut powder. Now here I am showing you how to prepare Aamti. Now here I have taken 1 spoon, so much spoon, teaspoon of pure ghee. Okay, I have already made it hot. So just a minute. Into this I am going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Okay. Now see, I am preparing because we are fasting today. Okay, so this cumin seeds I am not taking from my regular pot of masalas. It is separately taken. Now here it's hot, so now I'm adding cumin seeds. They have crackled. Now into this I'm going to immediately add this amsul or kokam. Okay, say about 9 to 10. Okay, and I'm going to allow it to cook for 2 minutes. And into this now I'm going to add water. Water is so much, half the katori, and I will allow it to come to a boil. So this will take say about another 4-5 minutes, and once it comes to boil I'll show you what is the next procedure. See, my kokam or say amsul is boiling. Now into this, here I am adding 1 teaspoon, this teaspoon of red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of salt according to taste. This I am adding. Okay, mix it, and then into this, at this very same moment, I am going to add this paste of peanuts. Okay, shindana. This is shindana thing. Okay. Now into this, I'll just mix this. Okay, and into this, I'm going to take 2 katori water. So now since this has already been ground, I don't want to waste anything that is remaining here. Okay, this I'll mix the whole thing and I will pour it here. Okay, 1 more katori. Okay. And I will add little bit here. Okay, don't waste anything, it should be all used. Okay, this is done. Now this I'm going to pour it into this. Okay, now this is not to be covered at all. Okay, now into this immediately I'll first mix all this. Okay, and I'm going to add this jaggery. Jaggery is 1 katori again. Okay, this 1 katori. So I'm adding jaggery. Now I will allow this to boil for next 5 minutes. Okay, and it's done. Now I want to show you my bhagar or say sama chawal that is been cooked. See, this is getting cooked. So another 2-3 minutes and then this is done. Okay, this is done actually. Okay, my chawal, my variche tandoor or bhagar is ready, and now I'm just waiting for this aamti to get boiled and it is all done. So another 2 minutes I will allow this to cook and I will close the gas. So my aamti and sama chawal all ready. See you after 5 minutes. See here, my peanut powder aamti is ready and my sama chawal or bhagar is ready. This is a special food that we prepare on Ekadashi. Okay, now this is how we make a plate arrangement. If you have liked my recipe, please click on to the thumbs up or the like button. Do share my recipe with your friends, family and relatives. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.